Welcome back everyone. In today's sewing tutorial, we will be focusing on creating a beautiful kameez pattern. So let's get started. Firstly, let's prepare the neckline. You will find the neck pattern with the swing pattern. Cut it out on a piece of canvas without the glue side, and then paste the canvas pattern onto the fabric using an iron. Be sure to cut the fabric following the pattern precisely. Don't forget to notch the mid part of both the necks. Fantastic. Now we have our neck part ready, and I have already cut out the fabric pieces using the Couture sewing pattern. Now let's start finishing the neck of both the front and back pieces. Begin by sewing the straight midline followed by the shape line. Once done, trim the edge leaving about 0.25 inches and fold it inwards. Secure it with a seam and repeat the same process for the back part. Moving on, we have darts on our back piece. While darts are optional, they can add a nice fit to your garment. To sew them, fold along the middle line and stitch the triangular shape. Do this for both darts. With the neckline and darts complete, it's time to finish the shoulders. Align the front and back pieces right sides facing each other and sew along the shoulder seams. This will join the front and back of your garment. Now let's work on the sides of the garment. Determine how long you want the sides to remain open. Here I am keeping it at 20 inches from the shoulder. Sew the sides by double folding the fabric and stitching it securely. Hemming gives your garment a clean and professional finish. Fold and sew the hems along the bottom edges of the front and back pieces. Finally, it's time to attach the sleeves. Align the sleeve with the armhole, right sides facing each other. Carefully sew them together, ensuring a smooth and even stitch. And there you have it. Our garment is complete with a beautifully finished necklines, darts which is optional, and attached sleeves. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in your sewing journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try different patterns and designs. Thanks for watching and happy sewing. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy stitching.